Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ramani. I have been locked for 4 years and today we are doing a lock knot bob because it is very requested these days. So I am starting off on freshly washed hair. I do not use any product in my hair. I've talked about this a ton of times, but I am just going to be using water. I mean, I'm not even using water. I didn't spray anything on my head during this process, as you can see, because girl, it was hard to get through them parts. But I didn't spray anything on my head during this process. I just let my hair be damp from the water. And I will link a video about how I don't use any products, but I am basically just going to retwist the locks and then I am going to twist them together. So when you get to the end of the twist, you want to kind of like bend your hair to where you want it to be. So you want to bend it to the length that you want the bob to be. I'm just choosing collarbone length, and then I'm just going to wrap the end around itself and secure it with the rubber band. And now I'm just going to repeat that over my entire head. Can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, like stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone. And that don't cause nothing, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Baby, I've been a little fed up, yeah. I wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me? All right, now for the back of my head. So many people ask me how I do the back of my head. And as you can see, I don't have the cleanest parts. I started my locks myself, but that's neither here nor there. As far as the back of my head, I honestly just feel around. Like, you can feel where your parts are. You can feel where your lock should be separated. I would say don't overcomplicate it. Like, literally just use your fingers and use your better judgment and feel around in your head. And if needed, get a 3-way mirror. But me, I like to save me some money. I don't need no mirror. So I'm going to just feel around in the back of my head and I'm going to just do what I did at the front. So part my hair and then twist it, and we'll do the retwist and then twist them together and make the bob. So this is the finished look, and I will probably keep this for the next 4 to 5 weeks because y'all know I'll be keeping these styles because she don't feel like doing her hair. But thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, don't forget to leave me a brown heart in the comments. I am wishing you all the best on your lock journey, and I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you in my next video.